So, you guys found me. Thanks for clicking. I'm official Akeem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Happy New Year to each and every individual who clicked this video who I haven't seen since this year started. And I pray the Lord gives you the strength and gives you the mindset and the courage to keep on going stronger for this year. I hope this year pursues to be stronger and better than last year. Okay, my people, so I'll be continuing my reaction to Pete Parkkonen. Right, so I've encountered a song from him, Kohta, Sataa. It's official music video and it was done like 9 years ago. And I never heard this song before. So it's an adventure for me. I'm here for the music, the culture, and also the heritage. I'm traversing from Jamaica to various parts of the world to learn and to educate myself with different artists and the diaspora music within your particular country, apart from my country, Jamaica, that has embedded with dancehall and reggae. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what going on.
Laita mutanele, voit alkasamele.
This guy is incredible. So is this a celebration video? Because I've seen him like he pull a celebration thing. I'm not sure what the name is specifically, but I've seen him celebrating something. What is he celebrating? I'm not sure, but let's see some of the comments. The funny thing about this is that if a woman appear in a video in the same way, it would be fine for everyone. But as soon as there is a man in it, it's just urban and weird, or could be. Such a lovely song about the wealth here. So he's celebrating because he's winning, but others are there, right? Who is being wealthy and also celebrating. So he's celebrating to become the person who he wants to be. Okay, so let's continue straight into my personal list of hottest men of Eurovision. So this was a time of okay. All right, so the views for this video will increase immensely day by day when the rest of Europe outside of Finland also discover. Yeah, I just discovered him. I just discovered him as a Jamaican, so it's gonna be an adventure for me. Let's continue.
Mitä sä haluut ja minne mennä sitä tekemään, pohjoiseen vai etelään? Tai sinne, sä oot liian friikki, baby, niinku mä. Tehdään jotain sikkiä, baby, anna kun mä laitan verhot kiinni, baby. Haluut sä, et aamuritkin saa nähdä. Mun mama sanoo tytölle saa leikkiä, mut evestele kun risut siis on kenkiä.
Guys, look, the scenery is kind of a bit different from my Jamaican dance, but as I say earlier, I'm here for the music, the culture, and the heritage. So when I learn, I want to understand, the difference from my country and what he's doing. I can tell that it is based off of his country's culture, right? So I respect it, and I'm just here for the music, bro. I'm here for the message. I'm here to see if I could learn something, right? And based on what I'm seeing so far, I'm learning. So it's educational for me. But the scenery is not the type of scenery that a Jamaican guy or a Jamaican artist will partake in. He'll be bash for life, bro. He bash for life. But, just for the music's sake, I'm here. Let's continue. Damn, the beat is crazily good. His voice is also amazing. Damn, I love his voice. I love his voice. I love his voice. Such a bit unique from a guy I've heard before, but his voice is way more smoother. Very smooth vocals this guy carries. Let's continue.
Valuta kynttilää, ei kiire mihinkään, mitä vaan haluut. Mä kestän
I can tell the girls love him. The girls love him, bro. He's a girl's man. He can sing to a woman and she's falls victim for him right away. She'll be victimized by his speech, by his action, just by him. So I am loving the vibe. It's giving a vibe. It's giving a vibe. Let's continue.
sut kokonaan, isken joka pisamaan. Jos et estä, sä oot liian freaky, baby. Niinku mä, tehdään jotain sikki, baby. Anna kun mä laitan sut laulaa, baby. Ja mä lupaan viedä äänes korkeuksiin. Mun mamma sanoo tytölle saa leikkiin, mut en pyydä anteeks kun sotken sun meikkiin.
He's melodic. He's melodic. I can tell he sings a lot. I can tell he practices a lot. So he's doing what he normally does. And what he normally does is literally displaying here on the screen. You know, it is displaying in the video. And what he's doing, I guess he's just that type of guy who display himself in that type of manner. Okay, so I have nothing at all personal against it. It is just his culture, his way of life. So I have to respect it. Right? And what I'm seeing here is literally phenomenal. You know, with his performance, the way how he is just, you know, expressing himself in such great manner, right? It is just him basically. And do not be afraid to be yourself. Right? And I'm loving the fact that he's being himself. And I have to just give him a maximum 10 out of 10 respect for that, bro. Right? But the song is literally vibey.
Mä lupan sua pehmeästi rukkaa, kohdella kukukkaa. Kohta sataa, kohta sataa, kohta sataa, sataa.
Bro, you know what? You know what would make this video more extraordinary? If you have like two more females dancing alongside with him, you know, with the mood and the vibe and everything, it would be berserkly super, bro. The energy is just good, bro. I'm loving it. Let's continue. Kohta sataa. I've read thus far, so I want to know what does that mean. Kohta sataa. Because repetitive lyrics is just playing in my head, bro. It's kind of a bit catchy though. I'm loving the catchy lyrics. Let's go again. Absolutely mind blowing. Absolutely mind blowing. Well, the ending was exquisite. The ending was good. I mean, like, he's giving an ending like, oh, Michael Jackson would have sounded. Is he a fan of Michael Jackson? Because if so, he's following a great superstar, right? The movement also shows he's a fan of Michael Jackson. I'm not sure. This is just my 2 cents implying here, right? With his movement and everything like that, the dance, yeah. I think it's a replica of what Michael Jackson would have done. So yeah, that is it. Enjoying music video, very good music, very good message. The entire scene was basically good. Basically good. He's being himself, okay? So my people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, tell him her about me, the Jamaican rock. I'll see you all around.